babukeli emakhaya, we all know and are very excited ukuthi African Hidden Voices is launching a second book, Restoring Africa's Spiritual Identity. Namhlanje ndizochaza why is it important for umuntu omnyama to have this book according to my perspective. Okokuqala, we all know that for decades or centuries, Africa has not had a spiritual identity. It has had a cultural identity, a traditional identity, and even a religious identity. Esiyaziyo babukela ukuthi throughout modernism, culture namasiko ne-custom is fading away. So le ncwadi is very important because izosithatha isibuyisele to our spiritual roots that people like me or even ogogo abadala did not even know that Africa has spirituality and not religion. Babukeli, I urge you to please get this book. Get yourself a copy of this book. Get 16 babukeli iyaphuma sizobe sise Cape Town. Please come through and get yourself a copy. E250. Let us restore our spiritual identity. Sibuyele kwindlela zokhokho bethu. Okhokho bagiye bajabule ezweni lomoya so that Africa can have its true indigenous power. Siyabonga.